Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we are doing one of my favorite types of videos, which is a haul. So there are two things that I love. The first thing I do love is watching haul videos because I just love being a little bit sneaky and nosy and having a look at what other people are buying or have received. The other thing that I really love is when places like Mecca release a whole bunch of products all in one go. Well, I mean, I like that, but my wallet doesn't. So as many of you will know, Mecca released a whole bunch of new stuff this week, and I was online at 8:30, I think it was, that morning to pick and choose some of the items that I really wanted from the Mecca Land release, and also other things that had just been released, and also to get my beauty loop box. And crazily, the day after I ordered, the box arrived in the mail. But two other Mecca boxes arrived in the mail that day as well. So these are things that I did not buy. So here are three large boxes of Mecca products. Let's start off with the box that arrived first. So this is the stuff that I purchased. Let's open this up. And as usual, everything is wrapped up really nicely. I really cannot speak more highly of Mecca Maxima in terms of their shipping. So I ordered these at about 8:30 on the 1st of May, and by about 1 o'clock on the 2nd of May, this had arrived. So that's crazy. Very well protected. And the first thing I see are my samples. So you do get samples with every Mecca order. I chose the Smashbox primer because it's one of the primers that I love, and I just figured I could travel with that. I got some more of the daily micro exfoliant, again something I can travel with because I already know I love the product. And then I picked up this. This is something I haven't tried before. This is the Celestial Skin Liquid Lighting from Kevin Aquan. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. And then we have my beauty loop box. So I've moved down to a level 2 beauty loop member this over the last 3 months or whatever it is, because as you know, I have been on a no buy, and also I've just been trying to spend a lot less money there. So let's have a look at what the beauty loop level 2 box contains. You'll have to forgive me, I've got a cold. I went back to work and got sick straight away. Fantastic. Okay, so the level 2 box this quarter is your Beauty Loop Edit Hydrate and Highlight. Ooh, okay. Awesome. So first item is MAC Strobe Cream. This is something I've bought for years and I've used for years, and funnily enough, I actually usually buy it in this size because it ends up being more cost effective buying two samples, two travel sizes as opposed to the full size. So that's something I'm definitely gonna get some use out of. So that's awesome. We have a Clinique Mini Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. Again, this is something that I've used before and I know I really like, and it's actually in my travel bag as a cleansing, as a cleanser that I take with me to go away. So I've got a backup. Surprisingly, this small tub actually lasts quite a while. Thirdly, we have, I always wanted to try these. Okay, so we've got one of the Too Faced Sweet Peach lip gloss oils. I never picked any of these up, but I've heard the great things about them. Oh, it smells so good. And then we've got, the Mecca Morphosis Transforming Cleanser and Moisturizer. There's a little bonus in there. So that's a pretty good beauty lip box. Like, keep in mind, Mecca doesn't have to do these. These are free of charge. And now onto my order. So the items that I ordered were items that were previewed at Mecca Land. And as I've said before, I was invited to go to Mecca Land but couldn't go because of work, and so I missed out on buying all of these items that I really, really wanted. And one of those was the super exclusive Stila Liquid Eye Glitter and Glow in the brand new shade, which is Beauty Junkie. Oh wow, it's even prettier in person. Okay, so I did pick this up. I'm sorry, my lighting is starting to go, but that's that shade there. It's a really pretty pink glowy shade. I picked up the Mario Badescu facial spray, but this is the new one. So this is the one with lavender in it. So I was keen to try this out. I've never tried it before, but I've heard awesome things about that. And I picked up the original one too because it came with the rose mask as well. So I really wanted to try both those products, and so it was in a special pack, so I picked that up. And I'm thinking I might keep the smaller bottle of the original actually at work or somewhere like that. And then okay, so one of the things that I really wanted was the Smashbox highlighter, but I wanted it in the light shade, and that was sold out. So it was on the line for an hour before it sold out. So I actually purchased, even though not that I didn't want this, but I knew that the other one would be much more suitable for my skin. I did pick it up in Rose Mantic, which is the more pink shade. which is so beautiful anyway, and I'm going to try and make it work. But yeah, it's a lovely, lovely shade. I was just really bummed that I didn't get the shade that I wanted. And that's all the stuff that I bought. And now we have the box. So this is all PR stuff. So I didn't pay for these things. These were sent to me. Holy moly. Okay. So full disclosure. So I actually emailed one of the PR ladies at Mecca, and I asked them whether or not they had any samples of one single Tatcha sheet mask. That'll make sense. Basically, I wanted to include one of the Tatcha masks in my Mother's Day guide. Okay, so I wanted to have one to try it out and to photograph and all that sort of stuff. And they sent me not only one mask, but they sent me a whole packet of the mask, which I'm so grateful for. Thank you so much. But they've also sent me an entire box of Tatcha goodies. So, okay, so let's have a look at what's in this box. I'm a little bit speechless because I really was hoping for one mask, not a pack of 4, and certainly not all of this stuff. There is, like, I really wanted to try the face spray, but I do have so many setting sprays that I just couldn't like justify it at the moment. So this one here is a Camellia Gold Spun Lip Balm. Check out that packaging. Truly Japanese in the detailing. And we have what looks like a clear lip balm with gold flecks. Wow. That smells so good. It smells really clean and fresh. We also have the water cream. Wow, okay. This packaging is so beautiful. So you've got like a little spatula here, and then it's just a really, really heavy package. I'm going to assume there's not much to see here. It's probably just a cream, but it's called the water cream. So yeah, it just looks like a normal cream, but it smells really good. It smells really botanical. We have exactly what I wanted, the Dewy Skin Mist. So thank you so much, Mecca. This is amazing. I feel so grateful. So that's the one that you've seen on YouTube all over the place, I'm sure. And I don't want to waste any of this. Oh, it smells amazing. Second last product here is we've got the Pure One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil. Love cleansing oils, so can't wait to give this one a try. I'm struggling with packaging today, guys. Oh, I hate having a cold. Like, I know it's a first world problem, but I tell you what, all it's taken is 4 days being at work, and I'm sick. Okay, so this is, excuse me, look at that beautiful packaging. This is the One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil. Oh, look at that, it's got a pump. And then lucky last product is the Essence Plumping Skin Softener. Again, beautiful, beautiful packaging. Oh, look at that, that's really cool. Let's move on. Okay, so lucky last is the second box. So this stuff here, I'm not sure what's in it. I did actually get a really fuzzy photo of this from my mum because she gets my packages. But I'm not 100% sure because there was stuff on top. So we have a Karuna Clean Mud Face Mask. So I think this might be, oh. Okay, wow. I think this might be some of the new products that have just hit Mecca. So I've never used this brand before, so this will be interesting. Okay, sorry, I'm just like, the freaking Wanted cheek palette. You guys know how much I love the Wanted eyeshadow palette, and I was, excuse me, considering buying this, but I'm really trying to get a handle on my collection at the moment. But I really was so tempted by this. Look at that packaging. So that's that palette there. This is my second or third face palette that I've ever owned. This is the first one I've ever received as a gift, but that's beautiful. We have, so this is from Ciate. This is one of their glitter flips. And wow, this color actually seems like it's a very wearable one. So you apply the liquid lipstick, it dries like a matte, and then you press your lips together, and the formula actually has glitter particles in it. So as you rub your lips, those glitter particles become more and more apparent. So there's some party lips there, so that's really cool. We have 2 little NARS, the Power Mats. You guys know, again, I love these. So this is Cherry Bomb and Don't Stop. Okay, that is exactly the type of red that I love. Oh, this one's really similar. It's a little bit darker though, a little bit more blue, I think. So that's Don't Stop, and that's Cherry Bomb. Then we have the Unicorn Tears lipstick, and I think it's the original Unicorn Tears shade, the blue one. Not sure this will be something that I get a lot of wear out of, but it's certainly something that's very pretty and unique. So it gives like an iridescent blue glowy look. And these are one of those things that you wear on top of other lipsticks to kind of change them up. Then we have one of the Smashbox and Vlada liquid lipsticks in Bloom. I've got another one from the collection that I got. Well, it's not from this collection, it's from the from this line, but it was the metallic one that they released, was it earlier this year? So it's like the coppery one, but this one is like a rose gold almost one. We have a eyeliner again, so the Petal Metal liquid eyeliner in Black Rose. So I wonder if this is just a black eyeliner. No, that is not a black liner. Well, it is a black liner, but it has like rose gold shimmer in it. That's really interesting. And then we have the Rose Magic Be Legendary Petal Metal Liquid Lip. Okay, so this is like a liquid lipstick version of the Be Legendary, and it's a rosy kind of coppery tone. This feels not like a liquid lipstick. This feels like a really thick lip gloss, but we'll see how that dries down. So that's that one there. The highlighters. So 5 minutes ago, you would have just heard me say that I missed out on getting Gilded Rose, which is the one that I really wanted. So thank you so much, Mecca. I really, like, I had every intention to buy this, but it just didn't work out that way. So that's that one there. I got another pan of Rosemantic, which I showed you before. I don't want to open this one up because I've now got two, which means you get one. We all win. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mecca, for sending this stuff through. It makes my job / hobby so much easier when I have access to some of this stuff. I've told you before that I really do buy a lot of stuff still to review for you guys and to make videos on. It just makes it that little bit easier for me when some stuff comes through. So I never expect that it's coming. I hope I don't come across as entitled and spoiled, because I don't feel that way. It's just like icing on the cake when this stuff comes through. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, particularly to the Mecca girls who sent through the Tatcha stuff, because I really was only expecting one mask to come through, or maybe two, so I could, like I said, photograph and try them out. But that full box of Tatcha stuff, I'll have to do a full review of those. Let me know what you'd like to see. I might do a separate video just on the Vlada MUA stuff, because I've got quite a lot of it now. But other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you'd like to see. As usual, thank you so much for coming and spending a little bit of time with me in my little corner of the internet. I'm a little bit blown away right now. Bye.